Y'all see me cook it. Now it's time to eat it. I think I'm gonna try it like by itself first and see what it's giving. Yeah, it's fire. Now I want to do the tortilla because I don't know. To me, it just sounds so right. And then I got some eggs right here. And last but not least, so that's what it's looking like. That's what it's giving. Hey, thank you, Lord. Yeah. That was fire. Yeah, so good. Hit me up, Big Lori Taco. Breakfast taco. Lola has breakfast taco. I love breakfast. That's pretty much it.